Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I am a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD and many more. So in this video, I'll be recommending few stocks for 16th March 2021. So this analysis and video is for 16th March only. You'll be seeing me again tomorrow with the analysis of 17th March. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and stock recommendations. So the first stock for today is TD, one of the most common stock that I almost recommend every day. Okay, for TD you can see that TD is in very nice uptrend. Okay, very good stock for investment, undoubtedly. Okay, but for day trading purpose, okay, so what do we need to observe? So we can see that right now the current market price or the last traded price of TD is 82.06. Okay, so and overall trend is up. It has taken support at the daily support on the daily chart. Okay, so only buy call. Okay, so as the trend is up, so we won't be looking for any shorting opportunity. Okay, only buy call for TD above 82.10. Okay, in case there is a gap up open, just wait for 15-30 minutes and just see how the price is doing. So after 15-30 minutes also, if you see that price is trading comfortably, then you can go for a buy. And on the other hand, in case there is a breakout during the session, okay, and it crosses the 82.10 level, again wait for 15-30 minutes. Okay, just see how the price is doing, whether the price is comfortable enough or not above the 82.10 level. If you see that yes, price is comfortably trading, then the resistance has become the support and you can go for a buy. Okay, so the second stock for the day is Enbridge. For Enbridge, you can see that the stock is struggling for a couple of days, for 5 days at least, to break the daily resistance, which is 45.7 level. Okay, 45.7 has got a daily resistance, and ENB or Enbridge is unable to cross the level. Okay, so in case we get the stock above this level, 45.7. Okay, 45.7. No sell call for Enbridge. Okay, only buy call because the stock is struggling. There is a chance the stock will break the resistance eventually. And in case it does not break, then it will go down and take support at 45 level. But I think it will be good enough for to buy only. Okay, only above 45.7 level. So just wait for the stock to cross the 45.7 level. And yes, the stock is, as I have mentioned, the stock is struggling for 4 or 5 days in a row. That's why the selling pressure will be high. So wait for at least 15-30 minutes. In case there is a gap up open, then wait. Just try to understand the market psychology. Just try to understand whether the stock is trading comfortably or not. If the stock is doing great after 30 minutes also, then it is clear that yes, you can go for a buy. In case the stock opens below 45.7 level, then wait for the stock to cross. In case it crosses the 45.7 level, then go for a buy after some time. Okay. Do not buy right away. So the next stock for the day is BMO, Bank of Montreal, one of my favorite stock because the trend is very beautiful. For BMO also you can see that for the last 4 days, okay, for the last 4 days BMO is struggling to cross this 110.8 level. So buy call for BMO, okay, above 110.8 level. I will not be recommending. Generally what happens whenever a stock struggles for a long time, then if it is unable to break, then there is a downside. Okay, it comes down. But as the trend of BMO and TD is very good, okay, they are in uptrend. That's why I won't be recommending shorting the stock. So only look for buying opportunities on BMO above 110.8 level. Same theory applies here also. In case there's a gap up open, wait for 15-30 minutes. In case the stock opens gives a breakout during the live session, wait for 15-30 minutes again, because there is a good resistance available, and you must get the confirmation that yes, now the bulls have taken over. Okay, for that the resistance must become the support. Okay, that's why you need to wait for 15-30 minutes at least. So the fourth stock for the day is CP, Canadian Pacific Railway. For CP, you can see that the last traded price is 464.64. Okay, so and it tried to cross the daily resistance, but it failed. Okay, it failed, and ultimately it had to close below the daily resistance. So in case you get the stock above these two levels, I'll say 450 or 467.5. Okay, 467.5 level. This level is very crucial. In case the stock crosses 464.5 level also, there are some price rejection points, previous price rejection points. From there it may again reverse. Okay, so the good place or good position to buy will be 467.5. Okay, and no selling call or no shorting call for CP, because you can see that there was a good price rejection from below yesterday and day before yesterday also, which means that there are some buyers still present in the market who are not allowing the market to go down. As a result, only buy call for CP above 467.5. And the last stock for the day is WCN, West Connections. For West Connection, you can see that last traded price is 129. Okay, 129, and it has just closed at the daily resistance with good price rejection from below. Okay, so that's a good sign. So what should be your strategy then? What the strategy is simple. Looking at the price rejection and the closing, we will look for buying opportunity above 129.10 level. In case there's a gap up open, wait for 15-30 minutes again. Okay, and in case the stock opens below 129.1 level, okay, then wait for a stock to cross this level during the session. In case it gives a breakout, wait for 15-30 minutes again. Okay. So confirmation is very important. Let the resistance become the support, that then you will get the best price. Okay. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked my video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. I always bring video just before the market opens so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. And do not forget to subscribe. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description.